The dough is ready, and now Niki, Manu, and their dad are preparing to shape the most beautiful cake of all, the torte del rose. Dad starts by rolling out the dough into a large rectangle, about 50 by 30 centimeters. Niki giggles as she helps spread a mixture of butter and sugar across the dough, her fingers dancing with delight. "It looks like a giant snail," Manu exclaims as they roll the dough tightly into one big roll. Carefully, they cut one large roll and 6 smaller ones, each matching the size of little roses ready to blossom. Laughing, they notice flour smudged on Niki's nose, a funny kitchen accident number 3. They place the rolls delicately in the pan, arranging them like roses ready to bloom. They let them rise for another hour before continuing. Dad mixes an egg yolk with some cream. Niki eagerly brushes the cake, admiring its beauty. "Look how beautiful the roses turned out," the narrator says with a proud close-up shot. The oven is hot and ready. They pop the cake in, first at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, then at 160 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While the cake bakes and fills the house with its sweet aroma, they create a lovely syrup with sugar and water. The final scene, the kitchen fills with anticipation as Mom walks in, intrigued by the smell. "What's that delicious smell?" she asks, overwhelmed with joy as everyone shouts, "Happy Mother's Day!" Tears of happiness fill her eyes as she realizes the love poured into this special cake. Niki excitedly mentions the next adventure. Now all that's missing is Socrates' birthday in Switzerland. Manu joins in the fun, flying home. With a broad smile, the narrator wraps up, "Happy Mother's Day!" And stay tuned for Niki and Manu's next trip. The special episode Socrates' birthday on May 13th. Cupcake partying face.